A keyboard fundamentally operates in a very simple way. On any keyboard anywhere, you will find a controller that interprets key presses and tells the computer, hey, the user just pressed a key. How this works is that each column and row of keys are all electrically connected as a matrix that connects to the controller I mentioned earlier. If you're lost here, that's okay, I'll try to explain. But you should know, a GPIO pin is a pin that can be configured to take in or put out data, a voltage, a signal, which is why it's called a general purpose in and out pin, or GPIO pin for short. So back to the matrix, now that we have the columns and rows, we can now connect each column and row to one GPIO pin each. This allows us to tell the computer, when column 1 connects to row 1, that's the escape key, for example. You might be wondering why it's important to have a matrix, and that's a good question. It's to save on pins. If each key had 2 pins, you'd need a dinner plate sized controller with 1,000 pins for a normal keyboard. But with the matrix, we can now efficiently support a 64 key layout, for example, with as little as 16 pins by having 8 columns and 8 rows. And that's really it. Oh, and the LEDs and anything else is totally separate, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments or on Discord, and I'll do my best to answer.